Okay, now we're going to laminate a fence and you'll see how it goes. It's real simple. Got my 3 pieces laid out here. Opening my glue bottle, which is somewhat stuck. And we're going to put glue on this one. And then we're going to put glue on this one. We're going to spread them around a little bit just to make sure they make good contact. You want to be putting pressure down on it so that you make sure it all comes out flat. Okay. Flip it over. We're going to do the same thing again. Notice there's squeeze out all along the connection. That's how you know you've got just enough glue, as if there's a little bit of squeeze out. Boy, there's not much squeeze out there. I'm going to loosen this one and move it down. Okay, and then we let it dry for a few hours. Did you notice by doing 3, it makes it pretty well straight? Okay, thanks for watching.